Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Mega Money Mondays. I did say I wasn't going to be live this week, but I decided to be live for Mega Money Mondays. Why not? Let's make some money. I probably won't be live the rest of the week. Maybe be live tomorrow. We'll see how today goes, but right now, the NASDAQ looking interesting here. Let's go. It's time to party. We got Apex one-day pass going on here as well. It's time to party. All right. Taking a look here at the 15-minute chart right now. The overnight, we still really kind of, haven't gone anywhere, which is nice. I mean, I guess a 100-point move pretty much right there off this low at the 288s, push up there to the 360s. The high from Friday up there at the 18,400 area. What's funny is we drew that yellow line on the chart. Remember, before the market opened, we put that line on the chart, and look where it went to. It's magic. How did he know? How did Patrick Wieland know? I don't know. So the fishing tournament starts on Friday officially, but we got some practicing to do, getting ready and all that. So just wanted to jump on here live this morning, talk with my friends, see what's going on. We got plenty of time till market open here. Plenty of time until the market opens up here. And right now we're sitting at this kind of level, that key level, that 375 level from Friday, also kind of the opening Sunday high as well. We pushed above the London high already there at the 342s, and starting to make this move up here. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We are live. We are doing it. We're doing it, baby. All right. Take a look here at the pivot points. Take a look at the pivot points. Pivot points. What do we got? Pivot point to the upside, 18,455. 18,455 to the upside there. To the downside, we held overnight. We held that 250 area. So I don't know. I feel like we protected the lows there. We haven't taken out the lows again. I don't know. 455 pivot point to the upside there. Looking primed and ready. The high there on Friday is 406. So let's go ahead and just draw our little yellow line across there. And we'll obviously know where that resistance is there from Friday here. So we got a lot of stuff going on this week. We got a CPI report. We got some other news today. We don't have a lot of news today. So, yeah, if you look at today's news, not much really going on. There's a little bit of news later at 10 o'clock, but nothing really out of the ordinary here today. Nothing out of the ordinary. So we'll see how she plays today. How's she going to play? She going to be nice is the question. Is the market going to be nice to us? Mega Money Mondays. Get paid. Right now, the VWAP down there at the 18,308. If we look here at the hourly chart, you can see that hourly candle breaking out to the upside there. That resistance there at the 372s holding us down. And then you've got this 400, 410 area after that. So right now, I'd say a key level, kind of that 330 area. After that, you got the VWAP at the 300s. So we'll see. No news today. Will this be good news or bad news for us? We'll find out. Yeah. All right. All right. Got that VWAP down there, baby. VWAP to the downside there. Let's see what plays out there. You know, get rid of this thing. So kind of this 330 area to the downside looks like it'd be a good spot to bounce, obviously with the VWAP there as well. If we pulled back into that VWAP there at open and bounced there nicely would be great. But as of right now, the market kind of just sitting up here at the highs for now. So let's see what happens. The dollar pulling back. The NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Ooh, aye. Oh, buddy, you gotta lie. Ugh. These are always difficult. Sitting here just watching it grind higher now. Up there to the 367 wick here, 5-minute chart. Does this blow through the 70s? Push up there to the 18,400 right here at open. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. $1 million question, huh? What do you guys think? What's the plan today? What do we got? When the sun gets blocked out. Is that today? Is today the official solar eclipse? I think today, right? Eight ball. Let's watch the 8 ball. Oh, all right, Mr. 8 ball, Mr. Magic 8 ball, tell us, will the market go to 18,400 at open, straight up at open? Oh, fuck. Magic 8 ball just said no doubt about it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. No doubt about it. Oh, God. All right. I would love to be closer to the VWAP right now. Would be great. Like if we were down here right now, this would be a really nice spot. You know, 18,300. Right now, we're pretty much in the middle here between that key level and then this key level, 18,400. So see what the 8 ball says here. Will the 8 ball winner chicken winner dinner? Chicken winner dinner. Chicken winner chicken dinner. All right. Mega Money Mondays. You know what it comes down to, my friends. It comes down to one simple idea. Patience. Hey, patience. All right, right now on the 5-minute chart, we got this bull flag. I would love to see a fucking trap to the downside and then that rip back up here. I don't... Eesh. Eesh. Oosh. Eesh. I don't love it. I don't love where it's exactly at right now, but hey, I have been wrong before. With proper risk management, the 8-ball would win. Probably, to be honest. Probably. This is a not glass bottle. This is a plastic bottle. How come you trade the NASDAQ over the ES? Because I like to party, baby. Because I like to fucking party. I think that's pretty much everybody's reason to trading the NASDAQ. Why trade the NASDAQ over the ES? Because I like to fucking have a good time. I like to party. You know? I like to go fast. Party boy, party boy. All right, all right. So this 340 area would be kind of overall just kind of technically great spot to pull back into, bounce off of, right, at open. We got that hourly kind of imbalance right there. So pulling back in, you know, to 330, 325 area at open would obviously be, you know, technically the safest kind of pullback entry setup here. With the VWAP and everything down there, I don't know. It just looks like it wants to pull back unless we just go straight to the moon. The high right now, 67.50. The high from that opening candle was 72, and then the high there Friday 408, 408. So Kayleen Hine, quitting work and moving to Florida in 4 weeks to trade from the UK. Wait, you're trading from the UK in Florida? I'm confused. What's happening? All right, all right. The fishing tournament starts on Friday, but I got a house down in Miami, so I'll be down there a lot this week, fishing and having fun. And then the actual tournament day is Friday, Saturday. But we'll be out practicing and all that, so. All right. Getting ready for market open here. Nothing out of the ordinary right now. Just in the middle of this kind of setup here. 320 level would be kind of a great pullback zone. Like if I was long this morning, I would have wanted to be long from this 320 area up into here. You know, being long right now, like yeah, I don't know. Ooh. Bull flag on the 2-minute chart. It does look pretty bull flaggy. I think today is going to be one of those days where if it just starts going straight up, you just got to have to jump into it and fucking hold on for your dear life. Look for that move up to the 18,400 level. Hold on for dear life here at open. Oh, God. VWAP just sitting down there. I don't know. Just whoosh. Well, I live stream all this week. I will definitely not be live Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I might be live tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure yet. So you just never know. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know exactly when Daddy goes live. All right, just know. buddy. Come down to the Keys and do a meet and greet. Oof. Yeah, I wasn't planning on trading this week, but just kind of worked out that way with the weather and scheduling for now. Why aren't you not happy that I'm live? Why are you not happy? Right now, check out onlyprofirms.com. We're giving away $100 every fucking day, boys and girls. Every day, $100 is some lucky winner. Just check out onlyprofirms.com. We're getting it going. We are live. It's Mega Money Mondays. Look at my hair from the back. Trying to get my mullet to grow in. Look at that thing. What is going on back there? Whew. I got to get a haircut, but I don't know. I'd be looking so damn good right now. Oh, yeah. Do you use live scope forward facing finders? For what? Fishing? No. We just fish. We don't have any. It's kind of it's hard to use fish finders for sail fishing. You just kind of sit there and put your kites up and wait for a bite, basically looking for action and stuff, but yeah. Patrick, is the trade copier good? Going to buy today. What trade copier? Morning, Patrick. Is an LLC good for trading? Maybe. I guess. Right now, looking here at the hourly chart, the top of that hourly candle right now, and we'll see how this plays out. Let's do a poll. Are we going up or down at open? The 8 ball said we were going up. Absolutely. So, uh-oh. Fishing or trading? What does that mean? What's my favorite fish you have caught? Probably just at the end of the day, catching sailfish, baby. Sailfish, multiple, catching 20, 30 sailfish in a day. That's pretty fun. But watch them breaking. We got to get some more likes here on the stream. We only got 147 likes. What is going on right now? Where is everybody at? Right now, 66% say we're going to go up. 35% say we're going to go down. Right now, it looks like the bulls are winning, but I would just love to kind of take out this little level, like get a trap to the downside, and then that rip back up would be nice. I don't know. We'll see. See how she goes. Right now, just taking a look at all the different time frames, all the different ideas of where this market's gonna go based on the pivot points, based on the levels, based on the market moving, the man, the myth, the legend. If you see right now on the QQQ, we got a pivot point up there at the 443s. We're right in the middle of those two pivot points there on the QQQ here. So 439 pivot point, 443 pivot point to the upside there. So, oh, buddy. It's time to party, to party, to party. Hey, hey, hey. What's the biggest sailfish? We don't really keep sailfish. We don't really see how big they are. They're pretty like big, but we don't really like care about how big they are. It's more about how many you catch. The more you catch, the more you make. Patrick, can you show what type of pivot you use? Yes, sure, why not? I just use the pivot point standard. When you go on TradingView, just type in pivots point standard. I made a whole video recently talking about all my indicators and all that fun stuff on the channel. So hit that like button, subscribe button, make sure you follow, because I'll be posting up this fucking knowledge for people and they don't even watch the videos and they come over here and they ask the same questions over and over. What? How do I find the pivots? What? Patrick, help me, Patrick, help me, please. Yes, yes, I'll help you. Relax. I will help. I will try to help you, but I cannot promise that I can help you because sometimes you just can't help people. Ooh. All right, we got 8 minutes here till market opens. 8 minutes. It's a CPI report week. We had a lot of action last week with news and people talking and all types of crazy shit happening. NFP, and then now this week it's CPI. So it's just constantly getting fucked by acronyms, basically. You know, welcome to day trading. One week it's the NFP fucking you. Next week it's the CPI fucking you. So it's just constantly, which is going to fuck me this week? I wonder, how will I get fucked this week? Patrick, you keep the sailfish? We just catch and release. Catch and release sailfish. The QQQ, I've got it set to the 3-minute chart. We use live baits. Hello, did you pay yourself with Take Profit Trader? Yes, I've paid myself with Take Profit Trader. Which type of trading are you doing? Mostly trying to buy low, sell high. It's kind of my normal strategy. I've found that it works the best. Buying low, selling high. The other way around, not so good. Trying to buy high, sell low. It is fucking hard to make money. I've tried every possible way to make money, buying high, selling low, and it's almost impossible, I think. I don't know for sure, but I do believe that it is very difficult. All right, we got a little bit of time here. We got 6 minutes right now. The NASDAQ just bull flagging here, baby. The upside move potential here, I think 18,400 area. There's a pivot point at the 450s. If the bulls come into play, get ready for a straight up move here. We're kind of watching here at open the type of action we get. We're right in the middle of these two like key levels. So I think ideally we'd love to see a trap to the downside, you know, because you're thinking if it goes straight up, it'll probably trap to the upside. If it goes straight down, it'll probably trap to the downside here. So I don't know. I feel like it's looking trappy. She's looking trappy, like she wants to trap somebody. And guess what? It's Monday and I don't want to get trapped today. No, thank you. I do not want to donate my my trading profits to the market today. Nope. I am not running a nonprofit organization. I am running a for-profit organization over here, people. We are trying to make money, not lose money. So let's see. Nice little dip here. Again, we've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's trap to the downside. I think that would be really beautiful for a setup to the downside trap and then that rip up. So we need those shorts to get trapped. Right now, 15-minute chart, you can see kind of these key levels, you know, 340, 332, and then VWAP to the downside there. So we had breakout, 3 boner candles to the upside, and now we're consolidating. And the high so far, this like 370 level, that overnight Sunday night move was 372 and then like 85. I mean, just feel like 18,400 is kind of your target up there. All right, looking for this pullback. Beautiful right now, actually. It's kind of playing out. All right, let's get this trap to the downside, boys. Trap to the downside here. You know what we're looking for. Trap to the downside. Get a nice reaction down in here, and then that rip to the upside here. Preferably not right there. That's not where. Nope. Keep it going. A little bit lower. There we go. A little bit lower. Get down into here. Hit the VWAP, if anything. You know, right to the fucking VWAP, baby. That 340 area we talked about, 330 area here on the hourly chart, this pullback. Kind of a bullish setup to pull back into that 30 level here at open. All right. I like it. She's looking trappy. Let's see how she plays. Oh, buddy, down there to the 30s now, 35s. All right. Woof. Why do you not like short the market? It's not that I don't like short the market. I just don't. I'm not really going to play around with this 2 minutes before the market opens. So, Sunny K, I use Trade-Evate. Trade-Evate trade copier. There's a video on my channel how to use Trade-Evate trade copying. All right, we got a little less than 2 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds. Oh, God. Ba 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 bam, ba 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 bam, bam. All right, all right. 30 seconds. Look at this dip right now. We want that VWAP touch, baby. VWAP touch for the VWAP. Market looking trappy here. Let's see what happens. 10 seconds till we open. Right now, dipping straight down there, boys. Straight down. Get down there to the VWAP. LOL at the VWAP now. All right, will we turn VWAP into support here? We want to see some buyers come in. We don't just want to buy this falling, crashing market right here, being patient. ES got a little bit more room to get to the VWAP there. NASDAQ holding up at the VWAP now. Beautiful. Still not really like any very bullish reaction here yet. Need more of a push. Push back up here. All right, straight down to the VWAP. No bounce yet. Dollar selling off. The ES trying to find some support. NASDAQ trying to find some support down here. You got to keep that 300 level alive. Got to keep it alive here. Dollar still selling. NASDAQ, ES stuck down here now at the bottom. Can we get a bounce off this VWAP level, or do we just move on down through the 300s there next? Oh, buddy. The YM, the Dow pushing back up right now. No buyers on the NASDAQ here. Straight down. The Magic 8 Ball, you were wrong. NASDAQ still just straight down here. Oh my God. Trying to see if we're going to find some support down here or not. Watching this bigger time frame, we just dropped through all those candles right there. So if we're going to bounce, that's pretty much like now they've trapped, took out those stops below those lows of those candles, but still haven't taken out that 70 area. So I'm not sure if this is the exact reversal just yet. Get back above 300s, things get interesting, I think. Below 300, the bulls are in trouble. NASDAQ stuck below the 95s here. Just grinding lower down to that pivot point there, 254 pivot point. Oh, buddy. Wow. She just keeps going. I'm like, fuck me. Still going. All right, we're at that pivot point now. Where do we go from here? Dollar selling straight down. NASDAQ also straight down. We hit that pivot point there on the QQQ as well, 439, 440 level. Market trying to push back up off that pivot. Look what we did. We ran the low on that overnight candle right there. So interested to see if this is now where we push back up. Chop City today. Expecting CPI. What is the CPI report on Wednesday? Right? Wednesday CPI report. Yeah, Wednesday CPI report, 8:30 in the morning there. All right. Very interesting. Let's see what happens. If we get pushed back up with that VWAP now. We push back to the VWAP possibly. Dollar's still dumping, so that's why I think that this could just be a reversal right back up now. Well, I think we just had to run those overnight lows just to push it back up here. The overnight lows have been taken. I mean, it's not a coincidence that the reversal, look at this thing. Right off that pivot point there on the QQQ as well. $439.89 on the QQQ pushed us back up. We hit that pivot point 250 on the NASDAQ. So we got VWAP there at the 300s. The ES pushed up above the VWAP already. Need to basically put in a... I really got to get through the VWAP there. The ES pushed up there to the VWAP now. The ES can push back above this 56s. It'll start moving, I think, back up into here now. $15-minute chart there on the ES showing that VWAP support right now. Look at this, trying to get back towards that 18,300 level on the NASDAQ now. Solar eclipse today. Black Friday, solar eclipse Friday. Black Monday, solar eclipse Monday. Out of my water already. It's not even 10 o'clock. I've already drank all my water. It's one of those mornings. All right, I want to see what happens here at the VWAP. If we get back above this VWAP, things get interesting. See if we work our way towards that 18,400 level. I like to get back above the VWAP here, back above 18,300. I would look to get long right now. No reason to get long until we get back above the VWAP there. The YM's pushing up above VWAP here. the 15-minute range here. Have not broken out of the 15-minute range. It was a big range, but we haven't broken out of it still. So you can see the VWAP right there. We got to get above like that 310 level there for this thing to really be a reversal. All right, pushing 300s here. Get through the VWAP. I don't know, man. It looks like it wants that VWAP break, but let's see. Give it some time here. Patience. Let's ask the Magic 8 Ball. Will the NASDAQ break the VWAP? Chances aren't good. Well, it was wrong earlier, so it's time to start reverse fading the 8 ball. We got to start fading the 8 ball now. All right, so the VWAP now acting as resistance here. We get back above this 76 level, we could start to move on back down here now. Let's see how she plays. Taking out that 75s here. Looking here at the hourly chart, kind of where we could possibly go from here. I don't know, it just looks more bullish than it looks bearish at this point, but now the ES back below the VWAP. $15-minute candle there. Sitting below the VWAP, 18,300 for now. Chop is real. We're still staying below the 300s, below the VWAP here. Trying to think about what I want to do here. I'm thinking, like I said, I'm leaning towards the bullish move, the breakout through the VWAP here up towards 320, 330, 340s next. We get above that VWAP. So, I mean, this is like the setup right there. Right? I'm trying to push 300s. Up to the VWAP again. Do we smoke the VWAP here? Try to smoke right through there. We're trying to smoke the VWAP, boys. Like I said, the ES, we're already above the VWAP there. The NASDAQ trying to get that move. We're on the hourly chart back above the 300s here. Buddy. Let's clear out this VWAP level now. I'm gonna grab a bottle of water. I need more water. Gotta stay hydrated, boys. Stay hydrated. All right, so the NASDAQ right there at the VWAP. We get through this VWAP. See if we move up there towards the 40s there next. Very key level to get through here. Oh man, I hate when it's like right here below the VWAP. Just can't get through it. Get through it already. Go, baby, go. See if it pushes all the way through the VWAP and then get through this. Got to get some more action up like into this 20, 30 level. And just stuck there below the VWAP for now. 2-minute chart. Little pop above the VWAP, stuck below it again. 40 seconds on that 2-minute candle to close. Let's see. Mr. 8-Ball, will we hit the 320 level? Prospect good. Now it's saying it's good. I don't know. Sometimes it's bullish, sometimes it's bearish. The 8-Ball just does what it wants. All right, so the whole entire market is just sitting here consolidating now. Dollar still selling down. The NASDAQ, the ES trying to push back up off these lows. Through that 310 level, we should just go straight up, I think. Stuck there again, 300. It's got to get out of this level here. Ruh-roh. We just kind of make a big bear flag here. Stuck below this 310 level. Get through 310s. I think then you got this quick push straight up. There we go. Tap in 10s again. We got to get through the 10s strong. VWAP holding us down, boys. The Magic 8 Ball said it was gonna be hard. Just want to see us break out here, get something going. Through this 310 level, see if we go straight up. If we sit here long enough and we just get stuck, well, then obviously downtown. There we go. Through the 14 push. We got to go, 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 baby. All right, we need that continuation through the 10s now. Just chopped it right back down. Sitting on top of the VWAP now. Not looking good for the Bulls. Again, just getting stuck there. 310s. Can't get through there for now. Gonna chop around here. The YM's moving back down. NASDAQ's back down now. testing our little trend line there. Like, did we get short right here and try to ride this thing down to that 50 level next? Still just don't feel like it's a short right there. Still just keeps holding up there at the 300s, so. All right, once again, pushing straight back up here. Still have not broken the 15-minute opening range, by the way. And the chop continues here at the VWAP again. The ES has not touched the London lows yet. 52.36 on the ES for the London lows. NASDAQ just holding up here. Again, just chopping back up. Not really much to do here. Fucking A. As of right now, just basically shorting at 300, buying at 80 would be your bet. Until we get a breakout here. $310, $312 area holding us down for now. After that, I think things get interesting, maybe. As of right now, going nowhere. Oh, buddy. Just pushing up into that 320 level there on the 15-minute chart. Stuck there again. Terrible price action here. We got to get just fucking through all this. These 15-minute candles, nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty. By the way, Apex is 80% off. 1 day pass going on right now. I mean, there's just nothing to do here right now. You can't trade this, so. I'm just staying out of it for now. And again, back down. The 5-minute chart. Dog poo poo. Poo poo doggy poo poo. Poo poo candles. Oh my God. Yeah, welcome to a no news Monday. No news Monday. Welcome to the party, baby. Market's going nowhere. That first move at open was the move to get into short. And then after that, time to walk away. And once again, popping back up there. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Hmm. Some serious consolidation here, but the problem is we just don't, I can't tell if it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. What the fuck's it gonna do? What the fuck? Somebody said the 3-minute chart's very bullish. I don't know. It's going up again. And again, just right back down. 3-minute chart. Yeah, I don't know. We cannot get away from the VWAP, it seems. Still just holding on there. Trying to be patient for something good to happen here. Patience. Patience. Need something good to happen here. You gotta be kidding me. This thing just don't wanna fucking move. Said, not today, buddy. Not today, buddy boy. OMG. Mm-mm. Market is absolutely going nowhere right now, so not much to do here. Best thing to do is probably walk away. Just walk away, boys. Now it goes straight up again. I don't really have much to say here, to be honest. Was waiting for something to happen, but there is no continuation off of this 300 level for now. So that's it. Monday, Mega Money Mondays. You gotta love it sometimes. No news today. The market waiting for Wednesday's CPI report. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Money, money, money. First candle to kind of open away from the view op. Let's see if we can get this thing moving up. Oh, God. All right. I'm going to walk away. I'm over it. I'll walk away so that way that you guys can make lots of money later because the market's finally going to... I mean, should be working. It breaks out, right? This is where... Oh, my God, it's happening. I told you I was bullish. Oh, even on that, you could... Fucking A. Just pulls right back again. Well. Now what happens? The FOMO is real. All right, we're starting to push. Starting to push. We popped right up there to the 37 was the high on that candle, 37.50. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, both are ripping straight up now out of fucking nowhere. Gotta love it. Off the VWAP. Off the VWAP, baby. I'm trying to take this little bull flag breakout here. Get this push up through the 40s next. Put my stop like right below my entry there now. We're either going to break straight up through the 40s. The high on that candle right there, 38. So we should take out the 40s here. Push up there into the 40s. And get right through here now. Trying to get this push to the footies. Give me 45s, give me 45s. Trying to get up there towards the 45s here. Moving my stop right below that candle. I don't want to get stopped out in the red. So now at least I guarantee I lock in $500, $400 there. But let's try to get this fill at 45. I would much rather get filled at 45 than get filled at 32 here. All right, much better, much better. I like that. Much better, baby. Okay, okay. Much better, much better. That was easy. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. She's still going. I'll take my 15 points, though. If you guys didn't see that trade live right here, my entry, showed you guys my entry. The exit there, 45. She's still pushing. Try to not be greedy, but there she goes, up to the 60s now. Yeah, God, I love it. Look at this thing. She's ripping, boys. Woo, buddy. All right, let's see what happens here next. Still pushing. Take out that high there at the 72s. Well, I think I had the right idea to not be shorting down here. I told you, I was like, man, I don't like to short down here. Look at this thing, the reversal. We were holding there on the QQQ off that pivot point down there as well, off the VWAP here, the push back up now. So market definitely had the right idea. The right idea. She's still going up there, the 70s now. What a beautiful trade. Hopefully you guys all capitalize off that beautiful breakout there. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. All right, we broke through the highs there at the 75s. That next level to the upside is 18,400 to the upside there. So pivot point sitting up there, 18,400 here. All right, let's see what happens. We get a little bull flag up here now. Need that little bull flaggy kind of action up here. That continuation towards the 400s next. All right, trying to hold up here at the 60s. The high on that last candle, 68.75. The high of the candle, 66.55. Don't know how much we're gonna dip down here. We break through the 70s, we should go straight up there to the 400s next. Let's see. Getting real tight here. Pull back into the 50. Watching. Can we get one more breakout up to that 18,400 level, which was the high from Friday? Kind of think about a possible long here. Like a little bit, see a little bit of a trap to the downside would be nice. A quick pop back up. Give me like a wick off that. Give me a wick off that 50 area. A little dippy dip. Mm-mm. Getting a little dippy dip off the 50s here. It wants to go. Bulls being shy. This could just fucking chop right back down to the damn VWAP again, to be honest. We ran those highs, we ran the lows, and now consolidate chop again. The great part is we don't really have to do anything here until we basically break above the previous candle high. So as this keeps moving down, no reason to do anything until we basically see something bullish happen, which would obviously be breaking above a previous candle high here. All right. Waiting. At this point, we basically got to get back above like 50, this little level here, 57, 58, maybe 51 level, get back above the 50s here for the bulls. All right, can we get a breakout here? right, bulls trying to push it back above this 50 level. Need to break through 55, 56s. All right, we're just sitting there right now at the 50. He's got to get to that 55 level. Show some strength here. All right. It should happen right here. Let's see. Get this breakout. Still not above 55s here. There's the 55 push. All right, I'm going to jump in for this fucker. If it works, it works. Let's see. The setup is there. Let's go straight up. Not going to be greedy, but take 68, 70 level. We're pushing through the 55s now. Let's go straight through the 60s there next. I want to stop to break even. Don't want to give back any profits. A little above break even there. Just to make sure, you know. All right, look at see if we can take out this high here at the 70s next. Oh, we got 10 points so far. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. See if we can take out that high there next. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. I just take off 2 more this area. Watching it right now. Watching it right now. Dollar's trying to make a new low. ES tried to push. Should take us out here. What do you think? See if we can make a new high here. Putting 2 at 83 just in case it pops straight up through that high. Or putting 2 there, putting 2 at 83. Oh my baby Jesus, Patrick. How do you do it? Annoyingly pulling back here. Right before breaking out, it's gonna annoyingly pull back, obviously. I'm so confident in this move. I'm thinking about literally adding right here. That's how confident I am. I'm gonna add. I'm adding to this position. We're gonna get this breakout straight through there, and I'll take profits above the 80s. Let's see if I was greedy or not. Oh, God. Oh, that was... Oh. 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 Baby, go. Can you take me higher to a place with... Needs to go right here, right now. Don't pull back below the 70s or I'm going to get stopped out. Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Come on, baby. Just take out this 70 level. I got a little greedy there. I don't know why I added there. YouTube gets to your head some dabs. I thought it'd make me look cooler if I added there, you know, like, oh, damn, he's a baller. He just added there. He just added at the top. It did look like I wanted to pop straight through there at that point, though, but... The anticipation's killing me right now. The anticipation's killing me. It's killing me. Oh, God. Try to get this push through the highs here. Let's just fucking go already. Let's just fucking do it. Go to the 400s. Whee! Dollar's about to fucking dump. Nasdaq's about to pop. Oh, buddy. Take it all the way. I need to get up in the 80s, baby. Up into the 80s here. I should have popped right through that. I don't like that. Just popped right through. Why did it not just pop right through there? Why? Why, Patrick? Why? It's a little annoying sometimes. It's a little annoying sometimes. It's a little annoying sometimes, boys. Oh, God. It's primed. It wants it so bad. Give me the 80 push. Ugh. Ugh. No. 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 Dollar just pushed back up pretty hard. Nasdaq's going to stop me out here. We already locked in $2,000 on this trade, so I gave back a little bit of profit, trying to add to that top, but it is what it is. Can always jump back in here later. And almost stopped out. Stopped out there. All right. So we had this set up. We were looking for that continuation up through the 380s. We were real fucking close to doing it. And just didn't want to go all the way, did it? Just didn't want to do it. So we're right back down, little double top. The chop is real here. It's Mega Money Mondays, Mega Choppy Mondays here, I guess, today. So YOLO. We still had a really good setup there. If you guys took that trade from the 47s up there to the 75s, you can't complain about it. So it worked out beautifully. Now we're kind of setting up same thing as earlier, a little pullback here. Banana, banana, FIFA, banana, banana. Nasdaq is just shitting here at the 60s. $18,400 still just sitting up there, boys. Still sitting there. Wondering, watching, going, Patrick, will you touch me? Touch me. Nasdaq, do you want to touch 18,400? Once again, trying to push back through the 70 level here. All right, all right. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. What's next? Pain. Pain. Chopping pain is coming next. NASDAQ back down. Maybe we move back to the VWAP now. 311s. One more time. My God. Back straight down. Just too much resistance here on the bigger time frame on the hourly chart right now, just holding us down there. That Sunday open, the high was 72. The high today, 75. Bull still kind of stepping in there. Look at that reversal again, back up off the 32s, right back up there to the 45s. We Little trap. Little trap right there. We get back above that 50 area, we should be good here. All right, again, pushing 50s here. The hourly chart, still very bullish. Pretty much anything above the VWAP, this 300 level, I don't really see any reason to like be overly bearish. Little dip here and there doesn't mean that the market's going to go to zero. And then it's like if we break out through this, well, I just feel like that this area here, that 408 level from Friday, just wants to get tested here today. I don't know. It's looking like it. Woo! All right, getting stuck here at the 50s moves us back down here to the VWAP. Get above the 50s, we start to work our way back up here, but as of right now, 350s, 350s. Bull's still just kind of stepping in there. Kind of watch here at the 50s, see how this plays out. Get above this 350 area, try to go up there. 80, 90, 400s next. $15-minute chart pulled right back into that 30 level there. Got 5 minutes left here on this 15-minute candle. Someone says, seems like previous support resistance lines are being respected more than the pivot points. What are you talking about? Pivot points right there fucking got perfectly touched. Pivot point to the upside on our way there now. So I think the pivot points are doing exactly what they always do. Looks pretty good. Back above the 50s here now. We can just go straight through 60s. Shorts are in trouble there. The ES showing a lot of strength, pushing back up as well right now. Dollar just made a new low. Dollar made a new low. The ES is pushing up. Dow's pushing up. Everything's pushing up while the dollar's making a new low. I think NASDAQ will try to make a new high here before lunch, before noon, I guess, maybe. Before noon, trying to push. Just got to get through this level. She wants it. Looking at all the different time frames, and I'm wondering to myself, okay, what is it? What do I need to see here? What do I need to see happen here? Five-minute chart looking choppy. The high on those candles, 56 is, so. VWAP down there, 314s. We get moving down here, well, 312, 313 level on the VWAP. Kind of looking, that's like that's direction right now. Still holding up, 50s. The bigger time frames definitely keeping me more towards being a bull here, just because of the bigger time frames. You know, when you get so sucked into the smaller time frames, sometimes you're like, you're looking at every little move, and you're like, is this a short? Is this a short? Ugh. Looking like a short. Ugh. Just once again, consolidating here. We had that pop, little double top, pulled back. Dollar's kind of chopping. The ES is just stuck. Everybody's just stuck now. Ugh. Yeah, it's holding on for dear life right now at this 40 level. I think if we don't hold here, well, then it's fucking right to the VWAP there next. So it's looking crazy. My hair looking crazy right now too. Bulls definitely don't want this below 40, 30s, this level right here. And then it's just, I can already see like a boner candle straight to the fucking VWAP coming. But then I'm also like, I don't want to get short right here. Because of the bigger time frames. Those hourly candles keep me out of the short here. Hopefully keep me safe as well. Keep me safe, hourly candles. Yeah, 40 minutes on that hourly candle there as well, so we will see. The 15-minute chart, not all, not overly bearish as of yet either. Still holding up, holding support for now and stuff. And yeah. And we're back to the consolidation. The consolidation. Oh. What I would like to see happen is to get going above this 50 level again. But as of right now, you can see clearly our little trend line is holding us down. And well, there's the VWAP to the downside there. It just like seems like that's where we're going. I don't. The good thing is you pretty much know that as long as we're like below this 50, 60 level, kind of just be patient. If we get above that 50, 60 level, well, we should start to kind of get some better action to get through that double top there. As of right now, the trend is intact here on the 2-minute chart, just moving us back down. 3-minute, 5-minute. Basically need to get above that 55s. Seaweed snack. What are y'all talking about in the chat? Seaweed snacks? All right, still just consolidating here. Will we get the next breakout? That 18,400 leveled up there. We're going into the middle of the day. I don't love our odds here, but hey, we'll see. Trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient, my friends. Patience, patience, patience. Again, testing that 50 area. 50s, 50s, 50s. All right. Looks like our idea of not shorting down there was a good idea, at least. Now, if we get through this 5670 level, things get interesting, and we should start to get this climb out of here. Get the climb out of here. Get one of these. 18,400. The bigger time frames showing us the way here. The 15-minute chart, trying to get above the 60s here. That hourly candle still holding up. Got 35 minutes left on that hourly candle there, but we're sitting mostly up. You know, we're sitting up there. Fly me to the moon. Can we break out from the 56s? Oh. Again, denied. Oh, buddy, 56s. Why you gonna do that to me? Why you gonna do that to me, boys? And just chopped it right back down to the 40s again. Mucho El Hardo. This market's going nowhere. It's done. It's over. doing the same shit that I was doing earlier when it was just fucking chopping, going sideways here, and then finally made the breakout. So you gotta just be patient, I guess. The high on that candle there again, 56s. We get through the 56s, things could happen. As of right now, below 56s, not looking good. Ugh. Five-minute candle from hell. Smacking all the bulls right there. I was trying to stay live longer here today because of I won't be trading for most of the week, so trying to hang out with you guys a little longer, but this right now is really hard to do anything. So really right now, again, you're kind of just stuck not doing much below 56s for the longs, and then it's just hard to get short right here. So pretty much just stuck in, you know, back to that 15-minute opening range. And again, back up to the 40s. Moving on down there to the VWAP, 313s. There's that VWAP touch. Down to the VWAP again. Fucking A. And we're right back to where we started earlier, this move. So, gotta love the VWAP. Sometimes you love it, sometimes you hate it. Yeah. Now we got to see what happens with the VWAP here. And just kind of waiting to see what happens here with the VWAP. Will we find support here? Will we continue to move down? Oh my baby Jesus. We're moving down. It's moving down. Moving down. Back to the 300s again. Ugh. Sitting here looking at it now, you're like, well, why didn't I short? I don't fucking know. It's just hard to get short up there, but is what it is. And now they just pop it right back up there into the 300s again. Be funny if they chop this all the way back. Would you look at that VWAP bouncing it back up for now? How was Hawaii to trade? Basically waking up 3 a.m. every day. So 6 hour time difference, definitely tricky, but it works. You can do it. Muster, is there a reason that you trade the 1 minute and not the 5 minute? Right now we're looking at the 2 minute chart. So normally looking at the 2 minute chart. Well, well. What's the next move? $15-minute chart bouncing off that 300 level back up here now. Wouldn't be surprised if they fucking just run this thing straight back up now. It's been one of those days. Basically, the longs just want to stay above 300, I think. 18,300 key level now for the longs here. Got to get back above the VWAP strong here to get that bounce. Visit the south of Spain. Sounds good to me. I might live stream tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like button. You'll know when I'm live right here on YouTube. We got 500 likes here on the stream. Where are all the likes at, people? We got to get more likes. We got to get more likes on the stream, people. Help me, help you. Help me, help you. Well, oh my. All right, market continuing to sell down here now. Classic. Almost 12 o'clock now, so I don't know. I mean, now it just looks like fucking... It's too obvious for this move down to the 260s again. As I say that, it pops straight back up. 18,300 just sitting there. 18,300. We get stuck here on the QQQ. We got that pivot point down there. Right now, we're below the VWAP here, stuck at the 300s. The dollar starting to push back up. The ES and NASDAQ. The problem is, it's kind of a key level we've been chopping around at. It's like, ugh, just not the prettiest spot. I'm watching it. These fucking dips and then these fucking chop back up are not making it easy to be like overly bearish here. Like they want to take this fucking back through the VWAP there, but stuck there at that 300 key level, 300 here. I could just see a big old boner candle just fucking right down there to the pivot point there, but it likes that 300 level. Stuck there at the 300s. Gravity pulling it down. Pulling it down, gravity. There we go, 300 acting as a resistance and moving down here. Take out these 70 level next. These 5-minute candles, man, just fucking. They're not pretty 5-minute candles here. 15-minute chart. Ugh. It's like those 5-minute candles are just stopping me from wanting to be short, just expecting kind of this chop zone from earlier again. Still holding up here. Back in the 300s again. New hourly candle just opened up here. Will we start to move down? Oh, buddy. Look at that hourly candle here, just opened up in these wicks here. In those wicks now. What does it mean? What does it mean? Ba-da-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da. All right. The market back to this level that we battled earlier. You gotta love it. The battle is real. So the funded Apex accounts, I normally just pay the monthly because I don't know, I haven't really had many funded accounts last for 6 months or a lifetime, so I don't know. Just kind of easier to pay the cheapest option. I have 4 LG, I think they're what, 32-inch or 34-inch monitors? I don't fucking know, man. People always ask me. I think they're 34s or 32s or... Dollars pushing back up here. The NASDAQ, the ES, just kind of bleeding out right now, but kind of grinding, just kind of grinding here at the 300 level. Just grinding. 300s. Do. See if they pop it back up there towards a VWAP once again. It's just gonna be a hard battle either way. Just look at this fucking overnight, the hourlies here. So this 280 to 300 level, just a battleground here. They're gonna try to protect it either way. I just don't see. I don't know. That's pretty much you know. Look at the 4-hour chart. Market don't know which way it wants to go. So market probably waiting for Wednesday CPI report to get a better idea, I guess. Numbers come out, CPI report. We expect pretty much this type of action, obviously, before the CPI report. So it's not a surprise that today is the way that it is. I would say it's definitely not a surprise here. So right now, again, pushing back up there towards that 300 level. Oh, God. VWAP right now at the 312s, so 312 VWAP. I gotta go to the bathroom every 5 fucking minutes. You doing fucking water. And it Just chopping it out here some more. The NASDAQ, it's time to walk away. Patrick, Chipotle is calling my name. They just called NAS. Said, Patrick, where are you? What are you doing? We need you. Come over here. We got to get this stock price pumped up. We need someone buying Chipotle every day to keep the doors open. So I think that's time. Right now, it's time to walk away. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Right now, Apex is giving away, onlyproverbs.com. We're giving away $100 a day. So check out onlyproverbs.com if you want to learn more. The #1 channel on YouTube. We're doing it all the time live. So right now, there it is. That's it, my friends. I'm fucking out of here. I'm over it. No point in sticking around for this shit. And I'll probably be live tomorrow morning. That'll be my last day tomorrow, Tuesday. And then I got the fishing tournament the rest of the week. So if you're tuning in right now, thank you guys for the support. Hit that like button and all the buttons down below. And you know what to do. I will talk to you guys later on.